Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view work in Asana. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just tracking your daily tasks, knowing how to navigate and customize your views will help you stay organized and focused on what matters most. Let's start by clicking Home in the left sidebar. This opens your overview dashboard where you'll see all your assigned tasks and recent project updates in one convenient place. It's essentially your command center for getting a quick snapshot of everything on your plate. Next, click My Tasks, also in the left sidebar. This view displays all tasks assigned to you, organized into helpful sections like today, upcoming, and later. It's perfect for planning your day or week without getting distracted by other project details. Now click Projects in the left sidebar to see a complete list of your projects. From here, select any project you want to dive into. Once you open a project, you'll notice a top menu that lets you switch between different view modes depending on how you prefer to visualize your work. Click List to see tasks displayed as a detailed list with all the information laid out clearly. This view is great when you need to scan through tasks quickly and see all their details at once. If you prefer a more visual approach, click Board to view tasks as cards arranged in columns. Each column typically represents a different stage or category, making it easy to track progress at a glance. For timeline-focused work, click Calendar to see tasks with due dates displayed on a calendar layout, which helps you visualize deadlines and plan ahead more effectively. To dive deeper into any task, simply click on it. This opens a Details pane on the right where you can view and update all the task information, add comments, attach files, or adjust deadlines. When you're working with larger projects, use the Filter button near the top right of your project view. This lets you filter tasks by assignee, due date, tags, or other criteria, helping you focus on exactly the work you need to see without visual clutter. If you found a view setup that works perfectly for you, click the project drop-down arrow near the project name and select Save Layout as default. This ensures your preferred view loads automatically next time you open that project. Finally, to quickly find specific tasks or projects, use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in keywords related to what you're looking for, and Asana will pull up relevant results instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.